In today's video, I'll show you how to add a UPI QR code to your Zoho invoice, making it super easy for customers to pay via UPI. Start by going to Settings in your Zoho Invoice dashboard, the gear icon at the top right. Under Sales, select Invoices. In the General tab, toggle on Invoice QR Code. Next, choose UPI ID as the QR type and enter your correct UPI ID. You can also add a short description like scan to pay via UPI. Don't forget to click Save. Now let's add the QR code to your invoice template. Go back to Settings, navigate to PDF Templates and select Invoices. Pick the template you want to modify and click Edit. In the sidebar, open Other Details and check Show Invoice QR Code. Click Save again and your invoices will now display the QR code automatically. And that's it. Your customers can now pay easily using UPI, streamlining your payments and improving their experience. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.